Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by choosing a legal route: Office Online, the free mobile Word app, or a free desktop suite like LibreOffice. Connect to the internet and sign in with a Microsoft account if you choose Office Online. This gives you full editing in your browser without a product key. Once done, upload or create the document and make sure to save to OneDrive so autosave protects changes. This approach avoids activation and keeps your files accessible across devices while staying above board. You continue by picking the tool that fits your needs. Word Online handles most editing, basic formatting, and templates directly in the browser. It's why many people use it to avoid activation. If you need mobile edits, install the free Word app and sign in for Cloud Sync. For more advanced offline work, open or convert Word files in LibreOffice or Google Docs. These preserve formatting well and let you export back to DocX when you're ready. Make sure to test complex layouts early to avoid surprises. You finish by exporting your final file to DocX or PDF and saving a copy to OneDrive or local storage so nothing is lost. If you used a substitute suite, install the free app on the device you use most and keep source files in a compatible format. If formatting breaks, reopen the document in Word Online or export as PDF to preserve layout. If you still see issues, reapply key styles and fonts. Troubleshooting tip: missing fonts often cause layout shifts. Install or embed fonts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.